Welcome back, guys. N.R.T here. So, got another unboxing video here from N.R.T Powersports. They're one of our new sponsors. Go ahead and open this up. They're sending us a whole bunch of stuff for multiple ATVs. They're an aftermarket company. Go ahead and get that out. That. Get that and that. I did make a video putting a new switch box on 500 Magnum. Go check it out. I gotta still make some videos on the 800 because I took some parts off of 450 and put them on 800 because 800 had control arm issues in the back and couldn't find the parts for it, so I stole them off the 450 and now got the parts so I can put the parts back in the 450. What's this? Okay, that is a yoke for the front drive line, so we get the 4-wheel drive working again. That right there. Okay, go ahead and open this big box. Big box, big box, big box. What's in the big box? I think these will be the calibers. Is that what they are? Is that what they are? Yeah, so those are the brand new front calibers for the brake system. Put that like that. I don't know what's in this. It's heavy, whatever it is. Oh, those are your yokes for the drive shafts. What's that? This is a aftermarket gas cap for the FL250s. I'm gonna use one of these and I'm gonna drill a hole right in the middle of it. I'm gonna put an air fitting in it so I can get that dent out of the tank by pressurizing the tank, and then I might drill another. Then I might use it because I'm thinking about putting a tank at the top of the cage that gravity feeds into the bottom tank. So I have 2 fuel tanks on the FL250. I'm gonna have to look into that a little more. Might not have enough room. Might have to build a custom tank, but we got that. I should have 2 of them. There will be a link in the description to N.R.T Powersports website. I'll try to put links to everything, but there's a lot here, so if I don't, I'm sorry. So it's heavy. What's this? Okay, that's the other part of the yoke or drive shaft. So now we can fully rebuild the front drive shaft. Okay, gotta open this box up. It's like good $300, $400 worth of stuff here. See, that's the other FL250 gas cap. Okay, so I got another order coming from Benchmark Abrasives, and then I put in an order request with Reliable. That box would beat up pretty bad. Hope it's not damaged. What this is? That is the rear brake caliper, I believe, for the 500 Magnum. Box is a little bit beat up. Hopefully it's not damaged. I don't think it is. Hopefully it's not. Nothing worse than having damaged stuff. Go ahead and get some of this garbage out here. And okay, those are the brake lines for the 500. My light. And then this should be the other brake line. I think I need 3, so I might put in, go check, need 3. Or maybe there is a third one, but it ain't arrived yet. I got to check. Okay, so I got a whole bunch of parts. I got them, like I was saying, I got those suspension parts I got to put on the 800 still, and I got to rip into that, and then I'll probably begin to rip into the 500, take tires off, take all the whole entire brake system is getting replaced. The only thing is the master cylinder I replaced, which it is the N.R.T powersports master cylinder. Replaced that like a couple years ago. I bought that though. And then I think I replaced the master cylinder for the e-brake, also N.R.T powersports. And then I got a brand new Polaris OEM brake disc for the rear, but the fronts are going to be N.R.T powersport brake discs. So, but I'll put a link in the description, and to N.R.T powersports website. Go check them out. Go buy some ATV parts. Go tell them I sent you. And don't forget to turn on notifications and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Helps me out, helps these companies out, helps everyone out. If you ain't doing it right, you ain't doing it at all.